Do we really need each other? Do we really need? Do we need each other? We know what a want is, right? You want something. You can want ice cream. You don't need ice cream. But you can want it. So a need is different, right? Do we need each other? And if we do, for those that might say yeah, for those that might say hell yeah, we need each other. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and say if we do need each other, I want to ask you, do you believe we're behaving in such a manner? Do we need to tweak ourselves and adjust to make sure that our behavior matches the fact that we need each other, or do we not need each other? So maybe somebody can send me a comment. Let me know, do we need each other? And if it is a war, and if it's vanilla versus chocolate war, is it a side that you pick? Or is your side already picked for you? Do we need each other?